Hi everyone, Gary here. This is a quick walkthrough video of a brand new dance called Black Label. This is choreographed by Carol Harry Winson and myself. It is a 64 count 4-wall improver level dance to the music Drinking Dark Whiskey by Midland. All single counts. There are 4 restarts in the dance, but please don't let that put you off. It's the old adage, the music will tell you, but I'll explain when we go round. Okay, so I'll turn my back to you, if that's okay, just so it's easier for you to follow on if you're watching. So, with the weight of the left foot, we're going to tap, kick. We're going to touch the right, kick it out, touch the right, kick it out, behind side cross, 5, 6, 7, and hold for 8. Left side rock, recover and cross, side rock, recover, cross, left, hold 4. Right side on 5, quarter turn to the left 6, we cross the right foot over 7, and we hold for 8. And the music's about 160 beats a minute, so let's try this. 7, 8. So toe, kick, behind, side, cross, rock and across, side, turn, cross. That quarter turn is the only turn in the dance. Okay, so from here we've got some toe struts. Left toe strut, right toe strut, and a left diagonal rocket chair. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then just straighten it up to add to the side wall. Side left and hold, drop back, recover. Repeating that to the right. Side, hold, back, rock. Side, hold, back, rock. And as you do the hold, your foot is just dragging towards automatically. So, let's try that. 7, 8. Toe, kick, behind, side, cross, rock and across, side, turn, cross. Toe strut, diagonal, rock, chair, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock. That's half the dance. We do half a rumba box to the left, so you've got left together, back, hold, right coaster, 5, 6, 7, hold for 8. We touch that left foot forward as we do 2 hip bumps. Hip, bump, reach back on your right foot and the left coaster, 5, 6, 7, and hold for 8. Okay, so just that section again. We did left together, the back, coaster on the right, hip, bump, coaster, step. And on the walls, when we do the restart, that's where we'll restart. Toe, kick. There are 16 counts left in the dance, so we're going to do toe, heel, step going forward. Toe, heel, step, and then a slow jazz box, 5, 6, 7, 8, or it's 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, you get the idea. Okay, so let's do the whole dance from top, that's it. This is the 64 counts. 7, 8, toe, kick, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, side, quarter, cross, toe strut, diagonal, rock, chair, side, drag, back, rock, side, drag, back, rock, left together, the back, coaster on the right, hip, and coaster, toe, heel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. So, wall 2 is a short wall, so I'll just show you that. We've got toe, kick, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, and side, quarter, cross. Toe strut, diagonal, rocking chair, side, drag, back, rock, side, drag, back, rock. Left together, the back, coaster on the right, hip, and coaster. Restart. Toe, kick. Okay, so the music, it is pretty obvious in the music which walls are the short walls. So it's going to be walls 2, 4, 6, and 7. Okay, walls 2, 4, 6, and 7 are going to be your 48 count walls. The last wall is going to be C where you've done the toe strut, rocking chair, side drag back, rock, side drag back, rock, side together, back, coaster, done. Okay, so that's going to be wall number 9. Just on the very last time, we turn that coaster and we face to the front. Alright, so Black Label by myself and Carol Harry Winson. Thank you very much for watching, thank you.